Hello viewers, today I'd like to introduce you to a very rare 1994 TownAce wagon. This is a super select top version, very popular in the old times. 2.2 diesel, four-wheel drive. It's called the Super Extra, right? Super Extra. No rust. Body is very straight. I think it was a one-owner vehicle, looked after very properly. Interior, there's no worn or tear. 105,000 Ks. The dashboard's all clean. Comes with a CD player, automatic. Comes with twin sunroof and curtains and everything. Also comes with aftermarket rims. Inside is an 8-seater. Comes with comes with some parts. Let's see what it is. Headlights. So there's a spare of headlights. So here it is, introducing to you to a 1994 TownAce Super Extra 4-wheel drive 2.2 diesel automatic. Thank you for watching.